Longitude projection.
Girl, because that's not me, girl, that was somebody else. Somebody got inside my heart and put me on the shelf. Got my mixed emotions and my brain fucked up, but now I'm still coming down, sipping drink with you. Without you, it's okay, girl, because I still think about you every motherfucking day, girl, every fucking way, girl. I miss your damn touch. I just wanna take your ass out to lunch. One more time for your mind, little players coming through. I'm sipping on that foe and I'm jamming on that screw, because ever since 9-2 I've been screwed up. You wanna step to me, but I got that strawberry in my cup, and now I'm feeling so goddamn fine. Step to me, nigga, I will break your spine. I will pull Sub-Zero, maybe go Scorpion. Fuck with me, nigga, and your ass be a vegetarian. After you fuck with me, cause your damn ass eating out some meat like you eating up grass, picking out your teeth and picking out your ear. Man, you a fucking little queer. You can't hold it down with a real fucking G. Let me get back to this gangster shit, you feel me? Because every day is a fucking bleed. Bleeding the block, man, you call me that seed. And I'm just playing the seed so I can watch it grow. Trey came to Reno and Zero, and I'ma just go ahead and wreck it. Baby motherfucking microphone, she freestyle check it. Just trying to live my life. Just trying to do everything right. Just trying to do the best that I can. Even though I'm just a man, girl, I'm just wanna do everything for you. Even though I had to hurt me too, but I'm still trying to live my life. Even though I'm steady living inside, I'm tired of being so cold in the night. God, won't you please save me right now before I have to pull the Glock out? Maybe even take my motherfucking self out. I think about it every fucking day. Should I just stop living a life anyway? Because this shit ain't looking good for me, and I ain't got no girl to tell me not to do it. Nobody holding me back. My motherfucking rhymes can't even react to my own self. What the fuck am I doing? And I'm just trying to live in Houston, but I can't go back to the times we could have had. And even though I used to have a smile on me, now every time you come around you fake like baloney, and I can't even get the real out of you. Even though I know you since 2002, and it's 2012 now, you still acting the same, bitch. We crept and we came, just trying to live my life. Wonder why everybody's so shy. Don't give a fuck, bitch, cause I'm played. And I rep MLK all motherfucking